Welcome back to Reviewz Heaven, where smart shopping meets honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums, the ultimate cleaning companions that do the dirty work while you sit back and relax. From powerful suction monsters to self-emptying geniuses, these little bots are here to prove that spotless floors don't need human effort anymore. We've tested and compared features like suction power, battery life, navigation, and smart controls to bring you the very best picks for every home and budget. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and don't forget, all the buying links are waiting for you down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Roborock Robot Vacuum and Mop. Meet the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus, the little cleaning wizard that makes dirt disappear faster than your snacks on movie night. With its beastly 10,000 Pascal suction power, this robot doesn't just clean, it hunts dust, crumbs, and pet hair like it owes it money. Upgraded from the Q8 Max Plus, it's smarter, faster, and definitely lazier friendly. Imagine not touching your vacuum for 70 days. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the magic of its self-emptying dock. Pet hair tangles? Nope, its dual anti-tangle system says, not today. The Viberize 2.0 mopping system scrubs like it's training for a marathon, removing every stubborn spot while lifting on carpets like a pro dancer. It even knows when to boost power on carpets and when to dodge furniture, thanks to reactive tech obstacle avoidance and smart carpet care. No drama, no chaos. Just smooth sailing around your messy living room. And the best part? You can boss it around using the Roborock app, schedule, map, or set no-go zones, all while lying on the couch. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus isn't just a vacuum. It's your new best friend who actually loves cleaning. Number 2. Uninell Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Meet the Uninell UR3, the cleaning superhero you never knew you needed. With a jaw-dropping 5,000 Pascal suction and a 20,000 revolutions per minute brush, this robot doesn't just pick up dirt, it demolishes it. Crumbs on the floor? Gone. Pet hair on the carpet? History. It even boosts suction by 200% on carpets, because who doesn't love a robot that knows when to work harder than we do? The UR3 comes with laser-precise navigation that dodges chair legs like a ninja and refuses to tumble downstairs. Smart and graceful. Its 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping feature means your floors will sparkle without you lifting a finger or a mop. Got pets or long hair? The tangle-free brush says, nice try. Plus, the 3.5L self-emptying station means you can forget about dust for 70 days. That's longer than most of us remember our New Year's resolutions. You can control it with an app, your voice, or even a remote. Perfect for tech lovers and grandparents alike. Running quietly for up to 180 minutes. The Uninell UR3 is like having a silent housekeeper who never complains and always shows up to work. Number 3. Eufy Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Say hello to the Eufy Omni C20, the robot that cleans harder than most of us adults. With its all-in-one station, it doesn't just vacuum, it empties its own dust, washes its mop, and even dries it like it's on spa day. You won't need to lift a finger, except maybe to brag about how clean your floors are. Armed with a 7,000 Pascal suction engine, this little powerhouse eats up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair like a hungry teenager after school. The Mop Master technology scrubs at 180 rotations per minute, using 6 in of pressure, so even those mystery stains in the kitchen don't stand a chance. Its slim 3.35-inch body slips under couches, beds, and furniture like a cleaning ninja. Meanwhile, the Pro-Detangle comb saves you from hair clog nightmares by untangling itself, because who has time for brush surgery? Simple, sleek, and smart, the Eufy Omni C20 works quietly while you relax, nap, or binge-watch your favorite show. With this little genius around, you'll finally understand what hands-free cleaning truly feels like. Freedom with a sparkle. Number 4. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Meet the Shark AI Ultra, the robot vacuum that cleans smarter than most humans on a Monday morning. With its matrix clean navigation, this little genius doesn't wander aimlessly. It cleans in perfect grid patterns, taking multiple passes until every crumb regrets its life choices. The self-emptying base can store up to 60 days of dust. That's 2 whole months of zero cleaning chores. And since it's bagless, you won't need to buy any fancy dirt bags. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and scoops up pet hair like a pro, so even your furry friend will wonder where all their fluff went. Its 360 degrees LiDAR mapping gives it superhero vision, letting it see in the dark and avoid obstacles like a true ninja. Whether it's carpet, hardwood, or yesterday's snack disaster, this vacuum handles it all without breaking a sweat. And of course, you can just tell it what to do, literally. Use your voice, app, or even your best bossy tone. The Shark AI Ultra doesn't just clean your home. It saves your sanity, one spotless floor at a time. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Vac Robot Vacuum. Say hello to the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Plus Auto Empty Dock, the cleaning champ that gives your broom an early retirement. With up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning, this little hero empties itself into a dock that traps 99% of allergens. No more puff of dust in your face. Just toss the bag and feel like a cleaning genius. With 70x more suction than older Roombas, it doesn't just clean. It devours dirt, dust bunnies, and cookie crumbs like it's on a snack mission. Its 3-stage cleaning system with multi-surface and edge-sweeping brushes leaves every corner spotless. Yes, even that one under your couch you pretend doesn't exist. Thanks to LiDAR navigation, it cleans in neat, satisfying rows like a perfectionist robot should. It avoids stairs, chairs, and chaos, mapping your home with precision. Control it your way, through the app, voice commands, or good old-fashioned button presses. Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It listens better than most humans. The Roomba 105 Vac Plus AE isn't just a vacuum. It's your personal floor butler, ready to make your home sparkle while you relax and take the credit. And that wraps up our roundup of the top 5 best robot vacuums. Each one brings smart cleaning power right to your home. If you spotted your perfect match, all the product buying links are waiting for you in the description box below. Go check them out.